What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to revise on the topic of light. We were talking about light in the previous video, and in that video we didn't talk about much about light, but we were talking about its reflection and refraction. In today's video we are going to understand what the concept of light is, what in reality is light, how does light work. So we know that a light is the fastest thing in our universe. We know that's a common fact to all of us. But what makes it the fastest? So the thing that makes the light the fastest, according to the research of physics, we can say that it is a wavelength, and sound is also type of a wavelength. So but if we see the gap between the speed of light to the speed of sound, it is miles away, where the speed of sound is only 343 km per hour. On the other hand, the speed of light is 380,000 km per hour. So the difference is very huge. Now, how does that occur? To understand that clearly, we will need to know about wavelength. So we know that what is a wavelength. A wavelength is a thing which has in and fro. What does in and fro mean? In and fro means changing its altitude, changing its magnitude, changing its frequency from the lowest to the highest, then to the lowest, then it comes back to the zero, then it reduces in the opposite direction, in the negative direction, to reach the highest again, then it goes to the lowest. So this is a complete frequency. A frequency can occur in sound waves or any type of waves. A waves contains a wavelength, and a wavelength is used to make sound as well as it is used to make light. Now the differences you heard, right? But in this thing, various things have different wavelengths. Like our light has our visible light has a wavelength of 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Yeah, we can see light between these nanometer. If the nanometer increases like X-ray, we could not see that. But infrared ray, we also cannot see that because they are way too high sensitive for our common eye, naked eye. So we could not see that. But we have made a very good telescope which are able to see them. But we cannot see it with our naked eye. But the telescope could absorb the wave and they can create an image of the waves coming. So that's high technology for you. Now we were talking about wavelength. So our light has the wavelength of 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. On the other hand, sound is also type of wavelength, but it categorizes in the one which is very slow, but it is not visible as well. Because can you hear sound? No, you can't. Have you ever seen that air pressure thing that's blowing up? That is air pressure, not sound. Air pressure is different, sound is different. So you cannot see sound, and it is slow because its wavelength falls below the wavelength of our light. That's why there's a huge difference. Know that light is an electromagnetic radiation, so as sound, but it is an electromagnetic and sound is only a magnetic. So the magnetic effect of the electron is very fast in the light, but on the other hand in sound, although not being electromagnetic, it is still very strong because wavelength dominates over here. I hope you understand all of this thing. If you didn't understand, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.